Okay, today is morning. I have a chance to walk on the back of my garden. This the hot pepper that we used to have every year. Um, yes, what we have this year. There's a lot of things that are coming back. It turned out very nice. Today is one of the morning that very bright morning that I have chance to walk to the backyard here. Okay, here what we have right here, and you can see what else we have in here. There's a lot of things that are very exciting. It's right here, and I'm coming to the here that you probably see what are this. Some of the monk herbs that are donated by one of the auntie. There's a lot of hot pepper. It's look beautiful. Okay, you can see right here. There's a lot of flower, and go to here. You will see a pond right here. That's water. Sit here. Okay. You probably see what are this. There's a lot of things that you probably never see or you saw already. Okay. There's a lot of things here. This one, whatever it is, that probably lemon, whatever. You go back here. Okay. You're coming back to this section here. There's a lot of stuff there. Okay. What we have, that's all this. Probably see how it look. And what are this? You probably know what is this. Something herb. Everybody said it's very nice herb. And what are this? What are this? That's mango. This year turned out very nice. And okay, it's just like that. Coming to here, a lot of things in here that we have for this year. Oh, turned out very nice. Yeah, turned out so nice. That's all we have. It's right here. You probably know what it says. No, you probably know what it says. That turned out so nice, so neat. Okay. They go back here. Go back here. They go right here. What are this? Just one thing that you probably never noticed that. Somehow it look like this. Don't know what kind of herb is this, but everything is herb. So this are it. What are this? This are this. This everything looks so neat, so nice. Okay. From here. From here, from there, from there, from there. That's so neat, so nice, so neat, so nice. Okay, go here and go right there. What are this? Something very nice in here. Very, very nice. Okay, very, very nice. Over here, so everything turned out so nice. What about this? 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 There's a lot of herb in here. Go there. You'll see that. Cho nó một xe hàng nữa cho nó gót xả nữa, xe hàng nữa, bố sầu lại, số. So far, I'm going to go over here. Okay, it's like that. Go this way. Come here. There's a lot of stuff here. Yes, a lot of stuff. You probably don't notice that. There's so một số ô nữa, xe một số ô nữa, bố cho nó là gì, bố cho nó là gì, cho nó xe một số, cho nó giờ lỡ hồ mò há, mình lo rằng có ha, tờ pa trong nó, tờ pa trong nó để xe bố số nữa. Xếp số lại. Yeah. So coming back. There. You go back here. There are a lot of stuff here. Một chỗ đa theo. Một chỗ đa theo. Cho nó đây chị. Một chỗ lia theo. Okay. Here, come back here cho nó giờ chị theo dùng lên nó nè, dùng lên nó cho nó để dùng nó, ok, để nói cho dùng lên nó, ok, dùng lên nó, whatever, tí là whatever, ok, không ý cho dùng lên nó thế, it's a little bit different. What's this? Whoever knows what's this? What are this? What is this? Okay. I don't know. You don't know that? I like that. Okay. Okay. It's like that. Look like that. Look like that. Look like that. Cho nó ra chi theo. Ít cho nó. Ít cho mình rong lên nó. Ít cho rong lên nó. Thế sẽ ít cho họ rong lên nó. Cho nó ra chi theo. Giờ ra chi của nó. Rong lên nó. Trên nó của nó. Cho nó ra chi theo. Ví dụ cháu liệu gì mà thêm bao số cho nó. Bao giờ ra chỉ theo là nó cho nó cho rồi đi đua là whatever. Now coming back here, come in here cho nó giờ cho tô cái này xong nó cũng rong hàng thế này để rong lên nó cho nó cho bì số luôn papa luôn chua trên trong này nó so it's morning, have a good day, have a good morning. Okay, bye bye.